Welcome. Welcome to the live session from Forex Trading Wizard Academy traders. Welcome. Hope that ready for big news coming later today. In just a matter of an hour, we could see ADP. So coming up, ADP non-farm employment change on dollar, and then later we'll see CAD. So dollar CAD is getting very volatile. Later also ISM service PMI. So big day for news, and would like to see there is the movement in the market. We are in a couple of trades and would like to see that the market is heading in the direction that we are expecting. I will be doing a full multi-time frame analysis. And before I progress further, traders, make sure that you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Supreme, welcome. Eric, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. So I would appreciate your support to the channel by giving a thumbs up, guys. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I am posting every day. Once you are here, then we can start the full analysis. So when you are ready, let us know that you are ready. We'll be looking to find best trade possible in the market in gold as well as on dollar CAD and in Gbpusd in many of the instrument. So let's see how the price is doing here. We can see the dollar CAD. We had a trade early today, so we have seen initial bounce, again has come back down. I think the market could still be bullish. We'll see what happened with the news coming up. Here a bit of rejection that we can see. We'll come back to it on dollar CAD. So before we're coming back to the dollar CAD, let's look at on we will be looking at also on gold and also the Gbpusd. Let's see how the price is doing. So looking at on those instrument. So let me delete all of these lines here, and okay, so this is where Gbpusd, we have seen that there was a huge breakdown followed by a pullback towards the upside. Looking at the weekly chart and also the monthly and also the daily, we can see that Gbpusd was there was a big drop, and then we have seen immediate bounce. We will be doing full analysis. Gold, we can see that a bit of choppy, but this choppy market is sometime gives a huge momentum. So we have seen that a green, red, green, red, green, red. So basically it's a fully choppy. After this choppy, there was a trend, and now it is another choppy market. So you can see that whenever the market becomes choppy, it breaks out and started to trend aggressively. So you have seen there was a breakdown here also, and then choppy. So expecting another trend. Now the question is the market is trending in that direction, trending down or trending up? So this is what we'll be figuring out in this live session. Guys, give your opinion also. What do you think that which way gold is heading at the moment? Hello, thank you very much. Have a great day. Welcome. Bosco. Hello, thank you. Rahul, welcome. Chef Wilson, ready, coach? Yes, we are ready for a volatile day. A news day is very important day, ADP non-farm employment change coming. So let's understand first the market before we look for entry. Analysis is very important. So when you do the full analysis, you have a bit of clear idea about the market, and then we can look for that entry. Right, so ready for which one you're gonna start with? Let me see. Majority of the traders, which one you wanna see. So give an idea, guys, which one you want to start with. Okay, welcome. So, okay, let's begin with gold, and I will be starting with the multi-time frame analysis. Now, why it is important to do the multi-time frame? Before we do the multi-time frame, let's understand the importance of multi-time frame. And also, before we go to that importance, let's like this stream, guys. Would you mind giving a thumbs up and making it to the same as view? Welcome. Thank you for your support. And also write something on the chat so I know that all the members are here, so that I can begin the full analysis. Because the first step of trading is to go to the analysis, right? So it's important that you always do the analysis, and then based on that you enter the trade. Okay, so let's begin with the gold. We will be looking at, first of all, higher time frame, looking at the monthly chart. Okay, so what we can see that from the monthly, this is a monthly impulse on gold, which is in fact a very strong impulse. And with this monthly impulse, what we can see here on the monthly, this monthly candle so far has closed, which is a very narrow area. You can see a very narrow zone here. It's a very narrow zone on the monthly on gold. And after this monthly resistance, we can see the market has got a rejection from the top. Okay, so you can see there is a rejection here. So with this rejection, expecting gold to break below. Now, my bias on gold, potentially, in the beginning of the week also I discussed that I think that gold might be breaking below rather than breaking above. It could have a spike, as it is NFP week. What's your view? Also let us know. Do you think that gold is going to go down, or it's gonna break to the upside? Now here we can see that the market is on the resistance, and we could see that gold is going up, breaking above, or we might see that gold is breaking below and coming down. Now looking at the weekly chart, we can see a little more clearer picture here on the weekly. There is a long bearish engulfer followed by a doji, followed by what we can see that there is another weekly candle, which is in fact also showing series of lower high. Now this weekly candle is quite significant for me. I guess that is also significant for you. What we can see that from this weekly candle, do you think that this weekly candle is bearish or bullish? What's your view on that? I think so, because when you are looking at the chart, it's always important to look at from a very curious perspective. Being a trader is basically very boring, right? Sometimes, but it's freedom. It's freedom because, when you are a trader, you basically just sit down and let things happen, right? It's easy. You have a lot of ways to capitalize your strategy, but to be a trader, it's a bit of work, a bit of effort that you need to put on to become that person that you want to become, which where the most trader fails, because most trader want to go for a get rich quick scheme, which doesn't exist. But giving a consistent effort, working towards the long-term goal is where the real fruits comes as a trader. So it's important that you understand how trading works. If you want to be, if you want to buy the Lamborghini by tonight, then probably you just give it away what you have. But if you want to be a trader who has, probably want to quit a job, or maybe you want to create an extra income for your family, friends, or maybe for anything, that's where the real trading comes. Now, if you look at from that point of view, that I would recommend you always be patient and focus on learning as a trader. Now here we can see that from the weekly, this is the weekly bearish candle followed by a doji. Now this weekly candle, what we can see here, it formed series of lower high, and then after forming that series of lower high, the market managed to break below. Now currently it's in a pullback. For me, I think that in case if the market go for a spike with the news, that could be a very important zone that the market might be getting a rejection from here, or with the news even we could see the rejection from here to the downside. My bias on gold could be long-term bearish. It might change over time, but if we look at the daily, here is the real catalyst. Because if you guys look at the daily chart, now daily chart is very important. Why? Because it's very reliable time frame. A lot of traders rely on the daily chart. Now you can see that there is a huge red candle followed by a doji, followed by another big red candle, followed by a green candle, followed by another red candle. So basically all those red candles that we see is, all our red candles are bearish, and so that bearish candles are stronger than the green candles. That's how to pardon me guys, I don't know why this is so cold here at the moment. So that's how we can understand that the price, who is in control in the market. That's the key here, to understand who is in control in the market, right? So that's the key question that we need to ask when we are trading. Now in this market, for me, is it still in control, the bears? So the potential for us is to look at potential bearish price action. So let's draw today's high, which is very important from ICT perspective. Now the price from the today's high is important. If the price reach there, we can look for potential selling as well. So here is a bit of, yesterday we have seen a bounce, drop, again moving up and down. So it is a consolidation here. So the news is important at the moment to break from that consolidation and then to break below this level. Now looking at the 15-minute, here is choppy, lower time frame, but it's good because when the market choppy, we may have a higher probability for a breakout. Now for me, today's level that we will be looking at is a very important level, could be this daily high. So break of this daily high could be an important zone that we can look for potential trading opportunity. You can look at that. This is the resistance line, and here is what we can see, guys. What you can see that there is a, you can see from this level, huge drop. The market has broken that high and then another huge drop. So we can expect now break of that. The reason is, if you look at this neckline, is still not been tested yet. So there was a neckline of this reversal pattern which has not been tested yet. So because the neckline has not been tested, we can expect for gold to move up to test the neckline and then finally to drop. And this is a very important area of value which we still don't know will be there or no. That's why we need to wait for the news coming up in couple of minutes or an hour. So we from the primary perspective, that if you look at the daily, you can see that that level is also aligning with the daily 20 EMA, also breaking this daily high. So a very important zone that we can look for potential entry opportunity in this market. So let's see that how the price is doing based on that, and based on that we will be looking for entry opportunity. Okay, so here is, it's locally we can see a bullish channel here, and expecting for gold to bounce and then to go up. Sometimes guys I also get sleep. So we can expect for the price to go up and then to return back. Now it's important that we remain patient, because it's possible for a break below, but until we see the break of this structure, we'll not be able to enter any trade. But at the moment, this is the analysis. Want to see the break of structure, retest, and then looking for entry. Okay guys, so hope that you're enjoying the live session. Thanks for joining the live session. Give a thumbs up if you enjoy this live session. If you're not enjoying, also smash the like button guys. Gold, okay, good day, welcome. Patrick, Favor, Abid Hassan, welcome. Dollar yen, yeah, we'll be looking at your view on SMC. Okay, so my view on SMC is very important. Okay, SMC is very, very important because the market is moved by smart money. So we'll be discussing in depth on SMC. Just let's see first of all what's happening with dollar CAD and GJ, and then we'll go back to SMC. Now, if you look at the dollar CAD, okay, so dollar CAD, we had a trade early today, which is still running. We might be hedging here, but at the moment we can see that on dollar CAD from the daily, we can see dollar CAD made significant today. After the yesterday's bullish move, today the price didn't move much. It might remain a bit of choppy here. From the intraday, didn't move much the way expected to drop, bounce, but it didn't. So if we look at the 15 minutes lower time frame, we can see that the market is there is an impulse correction. Let's see how far it is moving up based on that with the news. I would like to keep it aside at the moment. Let's see on what's happening with the GJ. So GBPJPY, GBPJPY, pardon me guys, what we can see on the monthly on GJ, this is the monthly price action on GBPJPY, and what we can see on GJ is this is the monthly impulse followed by consolidation, break of a structure, and we can see another monthly impulse on GJ. Now if we look at the overall picture on GJ on the monthly, we can see that after this monthly impulse, the market has made a narrow move here on GBPJPY. With this narrow move, this is the monthly candle on GJ, and so far we can see that the market is so far very narrow move. We might see what I expected for a deeper pullback, but because it's a long-term bull market, the sellers might struggle for a deep, bigger drop here. if we look at the weekly chart, where we can see that this is the weekly drop to this very important support level, to this liquidity zone. And after this break to this liquidity zone, it made a significant bounce. Now this bounce on GJ is important because the price is on the resistance line at the moment, and after this resistance, okay, so the price on the resistance, expecting it to break below. If we look at the daily chart, where what we can see that from the daily, this is the daily bullish price action, and here is what we can see: double top and then break. We have seen the complete breakdown below the 20 MA. The price is now approaching to the resistance line again. After the yesterday's big drop, we have seen a complete bounce to the upside on GJ. So if we look at the lower time frame, where this is the lower time frame price action, any liquidity grab from the top might give GBP/JPY a down drop here. If we look at the 15 minutes here, what we can see from the 15 minutes is this is the big impulse correction, expecting it to go back up to this resistance level. Okay, and still we might see locally upside here on GJ, and after this local upside, we might see finally breaking below to the support level. And for me, I don't think that GJ will be able to trend directly breaking this resistance line. So we might see local upside and then dropping down to this smart money zone. This is what we are talking about, the smart money. So at the moment, if you look at the 15 minutes, we see that locally it's still bullish. We could see with the news on ADP non-farm employment change, we might see some volatility on GJ as well. So after that, we could see the market is again dropping in that direction. Guys, I hope that you are enjoying the live session. Thanks for your support. Give a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I'm posting every day. So looking at further trading opportunity. Okay, so here, so the trend, the 15 minutes trend on GJ is already made a significant move. I would like to see it has broken above, and then we might be able to find even a selling opportunity after this complete breakout. Let's wait for the price to retest, and then we can look for that entry. So if we see it managed to break above and then has got a rejection, we will be looking for potential selling. This is a resistance line. So this is where we can see that GJ at the resistance level. We'll be waiting to see the market manage to break out, grab liquidity, and then break below again in the direction. Okay guys, so hope that you're enjoying the live session, and thanks for your support to the channel by giving a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I am posting every day. So ADP non-farm employment change coming in 10:15. And we saw the GJ. Here is, we'll be waiting. Let's keep eye on gold and GJ together. Thank you for your support to the channel. Hi, good morning. Thank you. Hi, coach. Which currency be impacted on CAD news? Expected dollar CAD. Yeah, dollar CAD, gold, and all the dollar pair. Matisip, welcome. Dico. Hi, coach. I am one of your supporter from Philippines. I have learned too much from your video. Thank you so much for blessing to you, God. Oh, thanks for your appreciation. Yeah, absolutely, guys. Make sure that you there is a lot of content on the channel as well, on the YouTube channel, that you can access. Besides also, this is what when we have created this academy back couple of years, we have many members still trading with us in the academy who are consistently profitable. And we are trying to add value to as many trader as possible all around the world. This is the main goal. We here in the academy, in Forex Trading Wizard Academy, the main goal here, we look at our traders. So we try to help traders learn, make money, and also grow as a trader with me. So this is what, otherwise, whatever you want to have, you have to help others to have it. This is the universal law, right? So yeah, guys, don't hesitate to check out the website. We have few spots left to join on the mentorship. So you can find link below this video in the description, where once you visit the website, there's a lot of things even not on the website that additional you will find here with me, such as my personal trading tool. Very few traders that you will find who share his personal trading tool, because no one want to share their strategy, share their secret tools. But I don't keep secret. I want to give everything for those who are coming. One of my best tool is the liquidity candle. If you look at here, we can see that this is a liquidity candle on the 15 minutes. There's also liquidity candle, and all of them, we can see that nice looking trading opportunity. And there is also liquidity candle, especially when the market trend, the liquidity candle gives the best trade that I love to trade. And especially when you combine liquidity candle with other tool that we have, that's where we can find the best trade possible. And this is one of my best tools that I have ever used, and I was using it for quite a long time, but now I have decided to share with everyone. So once you are in the academy, even if you are already in the academy, you don't have access to that. I don't know if anyone in the academy is still not having access to that. You can let me know. I handle this tool directly, so I can get access to that with the training lesson with it. So yeah, this is what helping with the tool, because we can trade manually as well. We can trade, and having some tools, having some strategy is always helpful, because that's where you can stay ahead with in the game of trading, right? Because imagine that you are on a, you're on a battlefield but without anything, right? Or in a soccer field without a soccer ball. So you need to have some kind of strategy that proven, that you can see by your own eyes. So if I turn on my my tool, that I can see by my own eyes how it is performing over time with high risk reward. So if I use 5 to 1, 3 to 1, that are incredible. So always you need to combine, anything you are using, you must use two most important part. One is the risk management. Without risk management, nothing will work. No matter how good the strategy, wherever you have got it from, without risk management, nothing will work. Secondly, that I have is my developing a very good trading psychology. See, there are two things. One is who you are. The other one is, you know, what's your tool. Now, a strategy will work for some person, or maybe it's for someone, may not work for someone else. This is also you need to understand, is because it's not only about the strategy, and also about who is implementing that strategy. Two things you need to combine: what are these, and who is implementing that strategy is also important. Imagine that you are given the best racing car in the world, and then you went to the best racing track to win a race, but you don't know how to drive it. You're not gonna make it, right? On the other hand, imagine that you are 10 times world champion in racing track, but you are given the 1970 model, your grandfather's father car, to race in this race track. Also, you're not gonna make it, right? So you need to combine who you are with the what tool you have, fuse them together to make the new one, right? So that's what it is. So you need to have the tool, and also you need to become skilled using that tool. So I can give you the tool, but you need to focus on becoming a trader, becoming what you want to become, right? So that's where the key of being a trader is, to focus on being what you want to become. So how can you do that? There are some technique. See, this is where the missing piece. We always focus on learning, focus on learning. Yeah, we also talk focus on doing. Okay, so being also is very important along with doing. Okay, so when you become and then do, then also the things comes in play, right? So it's important that focus on being along with doing. So how can you become? Let me know. So you're looking at gold and GJ. So keep eye, and it's coming up. Hi bro, I am unable to achieve profitability. I'm unable to achieve profitability. Then don't even try to be profitable. Try to be disciplined. Anything you try very hard will be difficult to achieve. So it's important, right? So too much trying hard will be difficult to achieve. So if you are not being, let's say you are not being a profitable, then don't be profitable. Just be disciplined. How can you do that? Just let go of the need to be profitable. Sometimes you need to be like that. So for example, set a goal that, okay, I will be, first of all, you need to There are, if you want to do a little bit of homework also, it's gonna be helpful. For example, let's say you might be able to create two tables, and then in one table idealize yourself. Okay, so what you need to become. Okay, so you can write down, okay, um, idealize yourself. This is your ideal self, right? Ideal trader. Now, the other table that you can do is where you are at the moment. Then what will happen, it will straight goes to your mind that the gap between you and who you want to be. All right, so that's how, for example, look at your trading account, analyze past 5 to 10 trades, and see that which is a very common that, I have got it over and over again from myself and from many other members, that closing the trade early, right? Which is the number one, I believe, that problem that every trader face before they become profitable, closing the trade early. Not losing trade, but the winning trade. Why? Because of fear. Fear is a big player in trading, guys. Keep in mind that fear is a big player in trading. So we close winning trade due to fear, the emotion of fear. Now, what is the fear? The fear of losing what you already have gained. That's where the fear works in trading. So now, once you create that table, then you understand that what is the gap between you and what you need to become, and that's how you can close that gap first, and it's gonna happen automatically. So it's a long game, not a daily game. It's a long term. So definitely stick to the channel, guys. Make sure that you give a thumbs up. I see the likes are going up, but it's still not on the 50. Would you mind giving a thumbs up? Smash it. And also hit that subscribe button if you haven't done yet. And absolutely appreciate your support. Awesome. That's going up now. Okay, so what we can see. Okay, so here is we can see that consolidation, and wanna see it's breaking out from that. Still be patient here. GJ slowly moving up from this level. Okay, so here how we can see. Okay, we are waiting for entry on GJ as well as in gold, also in dollar CAD. We need to wait for the price to break out completely, and then we can look for that entry. I become B, then into did, then again get to, then again, and did. It's just break. So what do you mean by I become B, then into DD, then I again get it to the. I understand what you mean. Like you just bouncing from one place to the other. It happens. Be on SMC, yeah. It's a big topic. SMC. SMC is the smart money trading concept. Are you guys ready to understand SMC now? I want to see how many traders here want to know a full concept on SMC right now in this video. Let me see. If I see that 10 people wanting that, I will be explaining right now in depth about SMC. Let me see if there are 10 people. Okay, so one. Okay. So yeah, Supreme. Okay, I see quite a few members are interested. Okay, Sifran. Cool. All right, so we see quite a few members are interested. Okay, let me explain. You might be taking notes that might be helpful to you. Awesome, I see that quite a few requests. Guys, make sure that you take notes. It's the lesson that you will not find anywhere in this entire, even in this entire universe, because people don't share this information. So let me explain that. Okay, let's first of all understand why the market move the way it move. Okay, so this is the fundamental or the ultimate structure of a market, right? So this is the, you can say that the map. So if you look at a map on the Google map or any map on a city, you can see the whole city, right? So this is the whole market uh, movement. So this is a map of the market, right? So this is how the market move. Now why does the market move that way it move? Very simple. The market either will move up, down, or sideways. There is no other way. Okay, you might go in a triangular direction, but basically it will be either up, down, or sideways. So when it is going up or down, it is trending, right? Either going uptrend or going in a downtrend. The other direction is the sideways. So when the market in a, let's say in a downtrend, creating series of lower high, which is a downtrending market structure. Now in this downtrending market, there is a consolidation. When the market change its trend, it never move in, it never change the trend just directly. It will do some kind of pattern, which is either consolidation, double bottom, double top, or any kind of pattern. Then it's gonna ultimately break from that structure, and then which will leave a neckline. The price will break from that structure, which is previous supply area where the seller sold, has broken out, turning to a demand area. Now this is order block. This is called an order block. Why it is an order block? Because this is where the smart money place their majority of their order. Why it is an order block? The reason is smart money cannot trade the way we trade. Okay, they cannot just open a buy or sell. They need to trade based on order block. The reason is smart money is not trading 100k or 200k. They are trading billions, millions of dollars. So their order will not be filled as soon as they want, because whenever they place the order, the market will start to move. So they don't get the enough price. So for example, let's say smart money want to buy 200 million, right? They cannot place all this order here. Let's say when the market has broken, come back down for a pullback, this is where they place their buy. Let's assume that they place $100 million here, and as soon as they place that order, the market has gone up, and then this pullback happened. Now this pullback is what is profit taking. So whenever the market breaks, like coming down for a pullback, is basically profit taking in the market. And then there is another, let's say as an example, 10 million order, another move, pullback, profit taking, another 10 million. So that's how smart money trade this market. They cannot trade like we do. Therefore, at some point, it's no longer profitable for them to buy that market because the price is too high for them. So what they do, they manipulate, which is we call a false breakout or breakdown, which is the liquidity grab, because they need liquidity to move that market again. And we see that local breakdown, okay, so which is the break of structure, and then it find new level which is interesting or interested for by the smart money to buy again, and the market goes up. So this is how, this is a smart money zone, this is a smart money zone. Now once it get enough high, then at some point you'll see that the market breaks down. And when this market breaks down, in majority of the time when the market trend like that, but it breaks down like free fall, which is sometimes called a waterfall. Why? Because that's where the market, all the buy orders started to close and the sellers started to sell. And the market dropped back in majority of them, you see the below this order block, because this is where all the chain reaction started for this move. So once you understand this, you know the reason for this movement, and this is how the smart money trade, and this is called the SMC or smart money concept. Now why you need to know that? Well, because by knowing that, you know that when the smart money is placing their order in the market, all right, so that's why you know that when is the order block where the biggest volume came in the market, and why the market is in this zone. Should you be buying or should you be selling? By understanding it, you go well ahead in the game of trading. All right, guys, hope that you're enjoying the live session. I definitely appreciate your support to the channel by giving a thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you very much. Welcome, welcome. Yes, welcome. Yes, please let me explain. Yeah, welcome. Hi, coach. I am. Where are you blessed? Jolly, thank you. Okay, guys. So hope that you understood it. Let's move on to the next analysis. And before we move on to the next analysis, I'll take a 1 minute break and coming back. Hope that you guys are preparing for the news coming up in just a matter of couple of minutes. Get ready for it. Okay, so we can see there's a bit of choppy market structure on gold here. A little bit of choppy market structure on gold, and we can see that on GBP/JPY also a little bit of choppy. But there is a let's review the calendar again to see what's might be happening. So in just a matter of 25 minutes, ADP non-farm employment change that might change ADP non-farm, and then coming up later CAD, and again dollar. So three, quite a few again CAD. So gonna be huge volatility coming because these two also today. So basically, first of all, ADP non-farm, and then CAD, and then after 15 minutes, ISM service PMI, followed by CAD, followed by tomorrow coming up Euro. Again, big volatile market, and followed by NFP. Guys, are you ready for this one? You know, I love to see a lot of news because that's where we can see very good move in the market, because when there's a high impact news, there is always high volatility. Wengi Gumari, Kasavan, blessed Josie. Okay. Can you analyze US30? Yeah, we'll be looking at that. Thanks for that. Okay. So here is what we can see on gold, waiting for a break and then to retest. Let's keep moving that way. And in addition to that, if we look at in addition to gold, if we look at the GBP/JPY, what we can see in this area on GJ. GBP/USD. So let's quickly look at some of the pairs that how they are doing. GBP/USD. We can see that there is a long wick candles, quite a few. And with quite a few long wick candles in that area on GBP/USD. From the 1 hour, it's trying to break to the upside. From the daily, not a very impressively bullish. There is a long wick red candle. Would like to see. I think GBP/USD is still not ready for a big move. Okay, going back to gold again. It's pretty choppy on gold. Euro AUD, please my analysis. Sell bearish. Okay. Malik, cool, thanks for your yesterday's everyday's live trading, and I'm really one of the onlookers who is watching you. So many thanks for your favor and openness. Yeah, absolutely. Um, and yeah, absolutely appreciate your support. Euro AUD, can you analyze? Give sell bearish. Okay. Euro AUD, what we can see on Euro AUD. Okay, so Euro AUD, from the daily, big bullish move followed by a doji. From the lower time frame here on Euro AUD, we can see that after this bullish move, a long weak candle forming. Euro AUD, I don't see very good opportunity because it's very choppy depending on how you are doing, but I don't see very good opportunity here. It's very choppy on Euro AUD. If you look at here, pretty much choppy. Yeah, bit of sideways. I don't see very clear direction, and until you see like that trending, it's not a good market. But if you have a trade, definitely you applied any kind of strategy. Let's go back to gold. Okay, now this is a support. So quite a few long week candle also here. Support, 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 and from all of this support, expecting gold to bounce or break below, depending on how the price might be doing. We see quite a few consolidation here, expecting it to break in one direction and then to go and started to move. You can see there is a pattern here. Thank you. Welcome. Okay. So waiting for the price to show us a way. Here is from the lower time frame, we can see the market basically showing the downtrend, and you could see the downtrend. So from the lower time frame, you can see from the 4 hour there is a narrow doji. After this big red candle, a narrow doji, and expecting it to break in that direction. Okay, traders. So let's keep eye. We see only 10 minutes remaining for the upcoming news. Until we see that break from the structure, we have to wait for that entry. While we can see that GBP/JPY is started to break out from here. Waiting on this to the resistance line. Okay, so patience, guys, patience. Okay, see the on gold. Here is this is where very choppy on gold as well. So while you see the GJ is trying to bounce, still waiting for the price to confirm, and then we can look for that entry. So you have only couple of minutes for the news to come. Few more minutes left. So you see the GJ and gold, both of them trying to bounce and expecting it to bounce completely to the upside to the resistance line. Okay, so you have 5 minutes left. From the 4-hour time frame, we see there is a potential doji here. Long bearish candle, expecting it to move up to the resistance line. And if you look at the daily chart, this is where you have to keep eye. So daily resistance is here. So if the market is breaking the daily resistance, it's where you will be able to find suitable location for potential entry. Just bouncing up that level. So looking at some of our old trade that we see, this market is heading. So we see getting volatile, guys. Get ready for a big move. Okay, getting volatile. So this long week candle on gold is crucially important to see either it's breaking above or coming in that direction. It's happening with the dollar CAD. We can see there is a drop here on dollar CAD. So it might break below now. If we look at gold again, waiting to see how the price is reacting. You guys ready for the move? 1 minute more remaining. What's your view on the market? It's really strong price action. Strange, yeah. Sometimes it becomes a strange, and we need to be around it. Okay, we see. I think the spike could be on gold, and then we might see that return. Spike is very important. Can you guess the spike, guys? Boom, spike to the upside. Not a very big, but there is a spike. Initially bounced, but need to see how long it's gonna remain bullish. You see, approaching the daily resistance line. It's with the dollar CAD. Okay, there is a choppy still. We see that big choppy market. Waiting for the breakdown. Okay, dollar CAD has got a bounce from this level. I think, let's see if we can find dollar CAD moving up. Not yet. From the 30 minutes. Okay, we'll wait to see, find the best trade. Quite a few high impact news coming. And we can see there is a liquidity grab. There's a liquidity grab on gold, and that might lead this price to bounce to the daily resistance. So there's a doji, and 15 minutes. Gonna peep here. Okay, we'll be looking for a long position on gold. I know that a bit of wider stop loss. With the next news, expecting gold to bounce to the daily resistance line. So we'll be targeting with only 1 to 1 with a higher probability. So there will be around quite a few pip, around 45, 46 pip stop loss. So make sure traders, you do proper risk management. I'm already on a trade, so I would like to hedge on the previous trade. So basically, this is the trade on gold that I would like to take on. So you see a bit of downside. My entry will be at, so stop loss at 2332. So TP target at 2341.66. So gold, I'm long on gold, and I'll be also letting in you guys as soon as I will do anything with that trade. I'm bullish on gold. My entry on this trade is at 2335. So my entry is at 2335.83. Okay, so I'm running profit at the moment. All right, so let's make some peep here. Make sure, guys, you do proper risk management. Risk management is the key when you are trading. So you're long on gold. See some kind of downside. I took a very smaller risk, guys, to make sure that you do proper risk management, as I mentioned. Is the key. Now we are having, come on, here we need to see that rejection. Bulls are not getting. Want to see that bounce. Okay, guys, so expecting still to bounce, and we see that primarily. This is a liquidity candle formation. That's the main reason why I'm bullish on that. Still the candle not closed, but we see that there is a liquidity grab. I want to see that it's moving up, which is essential. Expecting it to go bullish. Are you guys with me? So I'm also prepared. I'm running profit. I'm also prepared if needed to close, but still running. I'm bullish on gold, and I believe that you guys are also on that. Let me know how many traders running this trade with me on gold. 150k to 173. Okay. Sound, sound, no sound. Why? Should be sound. Guys, can you hear me? I guess the sound is clear. Okay, now candle close 15 minutes. The sound is clear. Okay, thank you. So there is a liquidity candle formation, expecting it to bounce. Right, so we are running profit. Now doji, and here is the key. Now we need to see that it's not getting again another liquidity, instead moving up in the direction. That's not what I expected. Okay, so let's see what it might be doing. Okay, we see that there is a liquidity gap. Expecting it to bounce. Okay, so we are running in profit again. Okay, we can see it's moving in the direction as expected, guys. So waiting for another breakout. Okay, guys, so we are moving. We can see price is moving up now at the moment and heading to the upside. Are you guys with me? So you're running in profit at the moment on gold. Guys, in the meantime, if you are enjoying the live session, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I'm posting every day. So you can see price is moving up. In the meantime, traders, if you are enjoying the live session, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I'm posting every day. In addition to that, if you want to also join and also our mentorship program where you can learn my strategy and also trade with me every day, you can find link below this video in the description. Visit the website and then click join now button where you can join and learn and grow as a trader. You can see bouncing. All right, guys, are you with me? moving up in the direction that we expected. We can see the market is almost hitting that level. Thank you. Okay, guys, so we are up how many pip here? We are up almost 32 pip. Want to take profit or you want to keep pushing high? Let's wait for the spike. Moving up. All right, so you can see that the price has made significant movement. I would like to secure the profit at the moment, 37 pip on gold. I'm securing profit. I have closed the profit. I have closed 38 pip profit. So I have closed 38 pip profit. We'll be re-entering as soon as we will find that. Let me know, guys, if you have done that. Have you secured the profit? I've secured the profit and we will be re-entering once we find another opportunity. Yes, thank you. Yeah, we secured 40 pip. I secured 38 pip. It might bounce further, but at the moment, now this is the power of our, this is the power of liquidity candle, guys. Do you see that chart? In this whole move, in this whole area, in this whole zone, there is only one candle. So there's only one candle. Okay, so there is only one candle that is forming that liquidity candle. Kizuara discount coupon. The discount is ended, but if I see, because we have few spots left to take on mentorship, so but I still can look at if we have coupon. I first need to know how many traders are interested to join with the coupon. Then I can see if there is any spots with the coupon available. Can you let me know if you want to join with the discounted? Then I can look at it. I would like to know how many traders are interested today to join with the discount so that I can look at. So it's pushing high. Secure, thanks. I get paid next Friday. Then I am okay, which time frame? All right. So for the discounted, I have seen that there are additional. I'm interested. Okay. So additional, there is we have few spots, only limited number for. We see that there is a $200 coupon available for you in addition to what we have, so which is will be around 80% off. But unfortunately, only few spots on that. So as soon as I will share that coupon, you need to use it on the lifetime access checkout so that you are covered, because if you see the coupon is not going in, that means that it's taken. So before I giving the coupon, I would recommend you to right now, as soon as I give the coupon, you can visit the website and then use it on the lifetime access checkout. So it's only for the lifetime access checkout. So you can visit the website. This is the link. Few numbers only. So if you are delayed, maybe it may not be available even after this live session. I'm not sure how long it will remain. So you can use that coupon on the lifetime access checkout and get another additional $200 discount in joining us in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So there is a, here is, you can see it's a big liquidity candle, and we can see the market is now heading towards the upside. So it's breaking out, breaking to the upside in the major direction. which is basically trending in one direction at the moment. So we had a massive one and we want to have another one. So around 38 to 40 pip. Some of you may have been taken big one, I believe. Thank you. No, it's in US dollar. It's in US dollar. Thank you. Big move. And we have seen that significant movement. Now, you would like to see that trending in that direction. So as you can see, the market already reached a resistance zone where we expected to break the daily high. We have seen that it has broken the daily high. Now, we can expect now even further upside, which is go to the liquidity zone again to this daily resistance and then to drop down from that level. Okay, traders. So let's move on to the next what you can see here, big move. And let's understand the trade also. It's not all about, opening a trade, but also uh, it's also about understanding the strategy, understanding the market, which is very important, right? Now, how many traders want to know the strategy? I want to see that here. How many traders are interested to learn the strategy? Can you let me know if you are interested to learn the strategy? Because it's not all about, opening a trade, but also being part of. Okay, so Rufus, all right. How many? Else, anyone else? Thank you. Thank you. Me. Okay. Interested to learn the strategy. Okay. Muhammad Yusuf. Okay. Bongi Kosi. Interested. Me. Interested. Okay. So we see that quite a few members are interested to learn the strategy. Now, one thing traders that I want to make sure is that I want to mention is that a strategy is not anything that you can just apply in one day, but it's a process of learning. Now, the strategy that I used, probably you guys have seen in the beginning of the session. Some of you ask about the SMC or the smart money trading strategy, right? So in the smart money trading system, if you look at what we can see, that there is a middleman, okay? And what we have seen, this is the basis of my trade. You can see that. Do you see, guys? Let me know in the live chat so I know that you guys can be visible this text here. In this box, do you see this liquidity candle? Now, for those who are learning our liquidity strategy in the Forex Trading Wizard Academy, the smart money strategy, I would recommend you to go back to your lesson, go back to your video, and then check out how does it look like to explain the liquidity candle. Now, why I have opened the trade on this liquidity candle? Now, for those who learn the strategy, there is a clear instruction in what kind of liquidity candle you should be taking action. Exactly, this is what I did, guys. This is what I'm telling you, that when you have a strategy, you know that when to enter the market. Now, this is in your own eye. You have seen that gold trade. I have traded in this live market, secured the profit according to this tool. Now, this tool, I was using for a very long time. Now I have allowed the members to use it. Now I can give you in this channel, in this YouTube channel, to you access for free. All right. So I can give you the access for free, but if I give you access for free, that could be a bit of risky for you, because let me turn it on and see that this one is not a winning trade. Okay. This one is winning, but this one is not a winning trade. Some of the trade will not work out. So which trade will not work out, that you need to learn from the lesson, and the lesson is currently included in the mentorship program. So if you haven't joined yet the mentorship program, I would recommend you to right now use that coupon that we have few spots left to take. So the coupon is additional $200 discount on the top of what we already have discounted on the website. You can visit the website and then click join now button, where you can join and visit and go to the lifetime access, use that coupon, be part. As soon as you are on board, give us your username. We can give access to that tool as well as all the courses, and also you can access all my trade directly into your trading. This is an opportunity available for all of you. So make sure, guys, you are not missing any of this by smashing the like button. And any question, let me know if you have. Thanks for your support to the channel. Let's look at the next opportunity that we have. Awesome. Now, what is the next opportunity that we can look at? So in the meantime, let's keep up here. You can see a little bit of pullback, which is essential for this movement. Would like to see that the market is trending in one direction. Okay, so this is the 5 minutes, and still we could see a continuation of the trend. We have another news coming up in just a matter of 30 minutes, which is on CAD. Definitely it will also impact gold, and also there will be another news coming up. So quite a few high impact. Thank you. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Is that the website? Yes. So if you want to use the coupon, then I would recommend you to visit the website right now. So you can visit the website www.forextradingwizard.com. So the website is here, www.forextradingwizard.com. So this is the website that you can visit, www.forextradingwizard.com. And once you are on the website, just click join now, or just join now, and then you will be able to get access to the plan. Follow along. Any question, don't hesitate to ask. And in the meantime, traders, I would appreciate your support by smashing the like button. Would you mind liking that like to 100? Don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Join the free Telegram channel to stay up to date with everything. You guys with me? We have more to take, so don't leave. We have more trade coming up. Very volatile day. This is what it is, guys. When the market is trending, we need to take the full advantage of it, because at the end of the day, it's important that we look at the trend, and based on the trend, we enter the market. Okay, so it's important that always we look at the trend, and also a trade with the trend, which is very important. The big day here, and What we can see after this bullish move, the market might be going up to fill that zone, fill this week. We can see the market trying to fill that week, and we might see that it's still remaining bullish. So you see the market currently, gold market is trending, which is one sense is good for us to see that the market is trending. Okay, guys. So yeah, what do you see? Now, if it is going up to this level, which is 2350 level, that's an awesome level. And then if the market managed to go that level, that would be big one. Okay, so yeah, so we might see that we'll try to hit some of this level. And there is another one coming in 30 minutes time, the news, and let's wait for that one. Oh, my camera is off. Let's on it and then off it. Okay, so here is what we can see. The market had a breakout. So from this breakout, expecting it to bounce, and then we can see the market, you can see that trending to the upside, and we might see that keep pushing and high. Okay. The trend is still up. Now, from the 15 minutes, we saw that there was a liquidity candle formation, a middleman, and that's where we have entered the trade, which in fact given us a good profit. Thank you for your support to the channel traders. Absolutely appreciate. Okay, guys. So let's wait for the next news. Don't be impatient, guys. Patience is key. Are you guys impatient? Don't be impatient. Patience is the key in trading. So when you're patient, you can have better grasping of the market. You guys smash the like button. Thanks for that. Okay, dollar CAD is very interesting here. Let's keep eye on gold to see, maybe we might see another wave to the upside. Already the price has broken the daily high that we see. Okay, let me delete these lines to understand the market. Now we see it's pushing high and high. We might see, breaking that resistance line here. So you might eventually see that. And with this break of resistance, expecting it to bounce and then to go back up to the resistance line. So waiting for another news. Quite a few, two of them is coming up. Okay, so here what we can see, it's now breaking below. Okay, now here is the crucial point. Is it changing the trend or it just again bouncing back, which is what we need to understand now at the moment. Um, because as there is another news coming in 10 minutes, so on CAD, I think, let's see that gold, how it is evolving. The price action on gold, our IC is still potentially bullish. All right, guys. So refresh for another move. Okay, so here we can see after break of the daily resistance, It's dropping back down. It's important to see either if it break down with the next news, we might see even see where it is heading at the moment. Okay, dollar yen. Let's see quickly look at dollar yen. GBP So you see here GJ. Um, this is a massive liquidity candle here as well. Seen the market now after breaking that high. GJ might be as expected, as I mentioned before. After break of this high from the daily, it's now trying to break below. We already see that significant rejection from the top. So might be GJ next move in the major direction. So this is a big drop here, expecting it to come down in that direction. Almost there. You guys smash the like button. Impact of rate card decision on dollar CAD. Uh, we are following suit, coach. You have you ever been in South Africa? Very good question. I had been. Okay, where are you from? Okay. Yeah, thank you. London, okay, exciting. Thank you. Good day. Welcome. What's your analysis on GJ? GJ looks like that we might see now potential for, because we saw that with this massive amount of liquidity grab, it has broken down. Now we can see that the market in this area also it is breaking down, and we might see keep pushing down. Pele, much appreciated. Benzabi, welcome. There is a good opportunity today to join the mentorship program. There is a $200 additional coupon available. If you haven't used yet, still I think a couple of spots available with that. So I'm sharing with you where you can access my trading tool that I'm using to trade the market. So if you look at gold here, we can see that this is the gold price, and from the 15 minutes, this is liquidity candle formation here. And with this liquidity candle formation, the market made a move, and we have taken the trade, which is basically moving in fact in that direction. So we have taken. Now if you look at in this whole move on the 15 minutes on gold, there is only one signal that I found, and we have traded in this live market. Did you guys like that trade? Let's find out some more trade. Now this is what I tell you, that you don't need a lot of trade, you need the quality trade. Now you can see that the tool that I use doesn't give me a lot of signals, but the one that is giving me that what I need to trade the market. So it is also an important understanding when you are trading is always look for the tools or strategy that is not giving you always easy trade. Okay, don't take the easy trade, take the trade that is difficult. Most trader try to find a reason for trade, like say, okay, there is a trade here, bullish engulfer, 10 and 20 MA crossover, so might be bullish. So the smart trader who look for a lot of reason why they shouldn't enter this trade. For example, well, that's a bullish engulfer, but the market here there's a strong rejection, so less chance of going up, or that's a bearish liquidity candle, but the trend is up, so I'm not gonna take it. Find more and more reason for not to take the trade than to take the trade. So you need to go against the flow. And then what will happen, some trade you can't resist. What you will resist will persist, and that will persist for you. So then you can persist as a trader. So do not resist. Anything you resist, persist. Hope that makes sense. Okay. Now, okay, we have only we have seen the CAD been published. So let's see the CAD news. What happened? Forex Factory, going to the Forex Factory calendar, and Yeah, so CAD has been released. So what, how that impacted the pricing? Dollar CAD. Okay, so it has got a bounce on dollar CAD. So you can see the dollar CAD has got a bounce, and that bounce, as expected, I think it's gonna push up now at the moment. Most likely, we see that bounce. So that bounce, expecting it to break to the upside because it grabbed liquidity here. We see the continuation towards the upside. So dollar CAD is after this. You can see there was a consolidation, breakout consolidation, and we could see that it's trending in that direction. So we have another 10 minutes for another news coming up. We can see that gold, this is the intraday time frame. So if now gold is breaking below, that could be a different price action, but I think that we might see the way this 4 hour candle closed as a bullish candle. The price action is still be possible to be bullish a bit before breaking below, because there is a strong rejection from the support. So dollar CAD is slowly coming for a bit of pullback. This is a bullish price action at the moment on dollar CAD. We can see that from the support level, there has been significant liquidity formation. This is the resistance turning support, big bull candle. And because if you look at here, you can see breakout bull flag, expecting it to bounce. We might see that continuation to the upside in that direction. Okay, so we have only 4 minutes to go for another big one, and then once that one been released, we could see that the market is trending. Guys, in the meantime, before we progress further, I would appreciate if you smash the like button and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't done yet. Press the bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I'm posting every day. All right, guys. So we have 2 minutes to go. 12 a.m. coming as service PMI. So that's gonna give another blow to the upside or downside. So we see that bounce. So basically, trend is continuation potentially to the upside. 15 minutes, 30 minutes liquidity candle formation. Yeah, this is a liquidity candle. It's very interesting price action here. So this market became very volatile. Dollar CAD managed to bounce. So you could see a trend continuation on dollar CAD and on gold. It's a bit of choppy here, but need to see what it is doing. Here on gold, it's testing the smart money zone potential for. This is a massive liquidity trigger from the daily resistance. Now it's important to see either the market is breaking below or again going for another bounce. You guys ready? Yeah, very interesting price action on gold, and dollar CAD managed to break out. Dollar CAD is trending. We had a trade running on dollar CAD which just have entered into the profit zone at the moment. So it was a hedge trade and it's now running in profit. It's really peculiar on gold. We see that we see very unpredictable here at the moment. GJ, if we look at, guys, long session. We had 40 pip on gold and waiting for another confirmation for another entry. Once we see, though we are currently running some trade running in our account. One is dollar CAD, which is running in profit at the moment, and also some old gold trade running on, and want to see that the market in fact trading in that direction with a proper risk reward. And absolutely it is it is my pleasure to trade with all of you traders. It was a great trading session. And absolutely, I believe that you enjoyed this. I still be waiting for some trade as New York session started. We could see some good movement coming up in the market. And in the meantime, if you also want to join the recommended broker, you can find link below this video in the description area. Join the free Telegram channel. Before I leave this live session, I would give you that coupon last time that so that you can use that additional $200 coupon available today for some limited numbers. For those who join still, I think we still can take a few on that. So if you haven't got the coupon yet, you can find it probably above this chat. You can use that to get another $200 off on joining the mentorship program. Join today to be part of trading community where you can learn and grow as a trader, and you can access all the trading tools that I'm having also available for the VIP members. I believe that it was a great session with all of you traders. Thank you very much for joining and also supporting the channel. Stick to the channel. I will be coming on live again tomorrow. We will be trading together also tomorrow in the live session. And also today later, I'm still on the trading desk until the end of the NY session. If any trade coming, I'll be straight posting in the VIP Telegram channel where the mentorship programs students are trading together. So thank you for being here. Let me know if any important question that you had I haven't answered. I didn't catch the USD trade CAD. Okay, so you haven't catch the USD CAD. You can contact me on Telegram, or if you are our member, I'll be guiding you for next time how you cannot miss this trade like that. So with that said, thank you, and we'll see you soon trading together. Until that, stay well, stay happy.